Hi, my name is Landon Burns, and I'll be going over my website here today. So as you can see, here's the home page. We got focusing on sports and outdoors. We have a little. Go to the biography. A little picture, a little about me. Here we have some resources. These resources I find useful for all my sport intake and all things, and just various other resources that help me with outdoors activities. I go to some of my top picks. These are my most used ones. Right here, these are my most two frequent and two very helpful websites as well. We got the technology projects. We'll go to the digital story. That was on the Eagles. We got the mobile apps. It's on Kahoot. All the different uses of Kahoot and just a basic overview. Got the PLN, PLE. We've got the app teacher certification as well. And that's pretty much it. Appreciate it, and thank you for a good semester. Appreciate all the help you gave this semester.